In this video, we will explore the 5 best Dyson mop attachments for 2026, comparing their cleaning performance, build quality, compatibility, and overall value. Whether you want deeper hard floor cleaning or a more efficient mopping solution for your Dyson vacuum, we have selected the top options worth considering. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below. So let's jump right in. Number 5. Mop Head Kit for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, V15. This electric mop head kit is designed for Dyson models V7, V8, V10, V11, and V15, transforming your vacuum into an all-in-one floor cleaner. Combining vacuuming and mopping, it streamlines your cleaning routine and makes tackling dust, dirt, and spills faster than ever. Constructed from durable, high-quality plastic, the mop head is built to last while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Installation is simple. Just snap it onto your compatible Dyson model without any tools. Once attached, it is ready to clean immediately, reducing setup time and eliminating frustration. The kit features a dual-motor design that spins the mop pads at up to 160 rotations per minute. This powerful action handles stubborn stains, sticky residue, and grime efficiently, making it ideal for kitchens, hallways, and other high-traffic areas. A built-in water reservoir allows you to lightly moisten the microfiber mop pads during cleaning, ensuring optimal dust and dirt pickup. It is important to note that this mop is not designed for absorbing standing water or wet surfaces. 6 reusable microfiber mop pads are included, suitable for scrubbing and polishing a variety of surfaces, including tile, marble, and hardwood floors. The mop head glides effortlessly, reducing effort while saving time on everyday chores. With a lifetime warranty and reliable after-sales support, this mop head kit is a risk-free upgrade for any Dyson owner. Number 4. Brush head for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, V15. This direct drive cleaning brush head is designed for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, and V15 vacuum cleaners, providing a powerful upgrade for efficient floor cleaning. It is not compatible with Dyson V6, V12, or other brands, as using it with unsupported models may damage the brush head motor due to differences in battery power. Installation is straightforward thanks to the built-in quick release button. The brush head can be attached directly to the vacuum or combined with the extension wand to reach high or difficult areas. No tools are required, allowing you to start cleaning immediately. Constructed from durable ABS plastic, the body is built to withstand long-term use. The bristles feature a combination of tough nylon and carbon fiber, which effectively lifts and removes stubborn dirt and debris from hard floors, as well as short pile carpets. This ensures consistent performance across multiple surface types. The flexible rotating design allows the brush head to glide under furniture, cabinets, and other hard-to-reach spaces effortlessly. 2 smooth wheels facilitate easy movement, reducing the effort required during cleaning and speeding up your routine. Whether you are performing a deep clean in your living room or a quick sweep through the kitchen, this brush head delivers strong, reliable performance. Additionally, responsive after-sales support is provided to ensure satisfaction. If any issues arise while using the brush head, the manufacturer's team is available to resolve them promptly, making this a dependable and long-lasting accessory for your Dyson vacuum. Number 3. Head replacement for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, V15. This roller brush head replacement is designed for Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner models V8, V8, V10, V11, and V15. It is also compatible with versions SV10, SV11, SV12, SV14, SV15, SV22, SV25, SV27, and SV28, but it is not suitable for Dyson V6, V12 Slim, or other slim models. Constructed from durable ABS plastic, the head features a soft roller made from nylon and carbon fiber. This combination provides powerful cleaning while protecting delicate surfaces such as wood, marble, and tile. It is not recommended for use on carpets due to its specialized roller design. The brush head measures 26 centimeters in width, allowing for greater surface coverage and faster cleaning. 4 built-in LED headlights illuminate dark corners and areas under furniture, helping to reveal hidden dust and debris for a more thorough clean. Its flexible design rotates up to 90 degrees vertically and 180 degrees horizontally, giving full control and access to hard-to-reach spaces. The roller can be removed easily for quick maintenance, keeping the brush performing optimally. Installation is simple, with the quick release mechanism, and this replacement head corresponds to Dyson parts 966,489-8 and 966,489-11. The roller glides smoothly across floors, offering excellent maneuverability and reducing effort during cleaning sessions. This replacement head is completely brand new and manufactured from high-quality materials for long-lasting durability. With a 12-month warranty and responsive customer support, it provides a reliable and smart upgrade for your Dyson vacuum cleaner, enhancing both performance and convenience. Number 2. Mop Head for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, V15. This electric mop head is designed specifically for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, and V15 vacuum cleaner models, combining vacuuming and mopping into a single efficient system. It allows thorough cleaning across multiple surfaces, including ceramic tile, marble, glass, and wooden floors, covering up to 15 square meters per minute. Equipped with a high-powered dual spin motor operating at 200 rotations per minute, the mop head delivers deep cleaning performance. The front roller brush lifts dust, debris, and hair, while the rear mop pads wipe surfaces clean. A built-in 240 milliliter water tank features 2 adjustable water output modes, providing precise control during mopping, and it can also be used for floor waxing after cleaning. 4 bright LED headlights illuminate dark corners under beds, sofas, and cabinets, ensuring no area is missed. The mop head rotates 180 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically, providing full flexibility for tight or low spaces. The package includes 1 electric mop head, 6 reusable mop pads, 1 trigger lock, and 1 water cup. The trigger lock allows for hands-free operation, eliminating the need to hold down the button while cleaning. Constructed from durable plastic and rigorously tested for compatibility, this mop head transforms your Dyson into a complete cleaning powerhouse. It is designed to save time, reduce effort, and deliver spotless results, making it a reliable and practical upgrade for busy homes that require efficient and thorough floor maintenance. Number 1. Stand storage bracket for Dyson V10, V11, V15, V12 Slim. Designed for Dyson cordless vacuum cleaners from V6 through 15, including the Dyson V10, V11, V12 Slim, and V15 Detect, this stand storage bracket offers a practical and reliable way to organize your cleaning tools. It is not compatible with the Omni Glide or Micro models, so compatibility is important to check before purchasing. Constructed from durable cast iron, the stand delivers a strong and stable floor-based storage solution without the need to drill into your walls. Its upright, non-folding design allows you to position it anywhere in your home, making it ideal for apartments or spaces where wall mounting is not an option. Standing at 51 inches tall, the bracket features 5 integrated hooks and supports up to 8 vacuum heads or attachments. The heavy-duty base includes a double-position design that helps prevent slipping, keeping your vacuum securely in place. Smooth welding, rounded edges, and a clean, modern finish Give it a refined look that blends easily with most interiors. Assembly is straightforward and requires just 2 simple steps. While the docking station is not included, the stand is built to accommodate it if you already own one. For a secure fit, slightly bend the cleaner brush before attaching it. This small adjustment ensures everything stays snug, organized, and ready for your next cleaning session. Those are the 5 best Dyson mop attachments for 2026, carefully selected to help you upgrade your cleaning routine with better efficiency and convenience. Each option offers unique features to suit different needs and budgets. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links before making your final choice.